path of our investment. So I now know that it's a reliable company, it's a trustworthy company, and I've been telling my friends and my family, of course, that they should also try and look into investing. And some of them, in fact, already had starting, and they are happy also. And what else we got? Do you want to say something?
Actually, okay. Hello everyone.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Just 2 more minutes, we will get started. There's just some minor technical difficulties on our end, but we are setting up. Just 2 more minutes. Thank you very much for your consideration.
Hello, everyone. A wonderful morning, afternoon, and evening to all of you. My name is Chris, and I am CryptoBox's and MDTX's PR and social media manager, and I am your host for today's introductory call. Let me just take a look at everyone here. Hi, all of our new friends as well as our OGs. Thank you for joining us on this Friday, right? I hope you guys have had a productive week, and I am very happy to see you here because you being here means means that you are ready to actually find out how CryptoBox and MDTX can help you maximize your earning within the crypto space. Hi, Mr. Joshua. Thank you so much for the warm welcome. All right, so for those of you who are new here, CryptoBox and MDTX are both companies within the crypto space. We invite Fawn to come and translate this, translate me reading the definition of cryptocurrency for on the Fawn to help me translate.
Videos.
Cryptocurrency is decentralized digital money that's based on blockchain technology. You may be familiar with the most popular versions, Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are more than 5,000 different cryptocurrencies in circulation. So a cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange that is digital, encrypted, and decentralized. Unlike the Canadian dollar or the euro, there is no central authority that manages and maintains the value of a cryptocurrency. Instead, these tasks are broadly distributed among cryptocurrencies users via the internet. You can use crypto to buy regular goods and services, although most people invest in cryptocurrencies as they would in other assets like stocks or precious metals.
Lo que llamamos las criptomonedas. Las criptomonedas están monedas basadas sobre un sistema criptográfico y basados sobre el sistema de las cadenas de bloques de blockchain. Este sistema de monedas no tiene bases centralizadas como nuestros bancos, pero tenemos bases con cada utilizador para facilitar un intercambio de cada persona a otra persona. Entonces estamos trabajando en un sistema totalmente descentralizado.
Okay, that is awesome. Thank you for that, Fawn. So yes, that is all you need to know about cryptocurrency. Fawn can now relax until we call him back later on. So with that said, If you would like to find out a little more about cryptocurrency, you're free to do so on your own time. All you have to do is Google it and look for a reputable source or more about crypto. However, right now I am going to set us all off on the same page by playing a video that shows you what CryptoBox and MDTX do as an overview. All right, so sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Recording stopped.
Change is possible, and it all starts from your own home. Climate change is causing extreme weather changes which cause typhoons and drought. These extreme weather changes do not just happen, but they are caused by you and me. These all started from your very own home. Your home design may be causing you to consume more electricity, therefore bringing the demand for electricity higher in power plants, which means higher pollution. The materials used in building your house may not be environmentally friendly because it is not recyclable, and disposing of it causes harm to our environment. Your very own home design is making real estate property prices go up, that it is not easily affordable to the majority. We have the technology to help solve the basic problem. The I²G=MFC home system. A minimalist, functional, and scalable home design. These are our elegant glass houses, holistically designed from the ground up to have a very low carbon footprint and are recyclable. It can be built single-story, two-story, a home office, or resort accommodation. I²G=MFC, the home that costs less for more. We have also created our financial ecosystem to complement our idea of affecting change. The Modern Development Token is our funding instrument. It is using the industry-tested Binance BEP20 blockchain protocol. The Modern Development Token is inclusive, simple, and secured. This is Casablanca by the Sea Resort, our case study. All accommodations are using our I²G=MFC home system. Casablanca by the Sea Resort aims to be the first resort in Cebu to be operating in a very low carbon footprint by using I²G=MFC home system for accommodation, renewable energy, green design, and an intelligent control system. Yes, change is possible, and it all starts from your own home. Modern Development Token, the catalyst of that change. Inflation, unemployment, rising prices, government red tapes, corruption. To list a few are society's ill that are creating inequality among the population. The disparity between the rich and the poor is getting wider, making the rich richer and the poor poorer. The poor, which generally make up the bulk of the shadow economy, are unbanked. They don't have access to financial mechanisms from the government and private sector, therefore stunting their opportunity for economic progress, and economic progress equates to freedom. In our attempt to democratize economic progress, we would like to offer CryptoBox Universal Income Platform. It is inclusive because it is decentralized and is based on blockchain technology. It offers guaranteed, sustainable, and regular returns weekly withdrawal. It is a full passive income stream that allows you to continue your current daily tasks. It is based on daily trading shares. Trading has been a financial mechanism that has been around for hundreds of years. We offer financial literacy training to all community members to guide them in their transition as a CryptoBox investor to become a successful trader, which will be the key to financial freedom. Empowering a family member in a family of 5 will have a contagion effect to the other family members and the generations to come. We want you to be part of this CryptoBox movement whose vision is to leave a legacy of empowering community members through financial literacy training and applying it to physical reality. CryptoBox, the universal income platform.
So that was CryptoBox and MDTX. I am sure that has sort of jigged some excitement for all of those who are new to what CryptoBox and MDTX do. And we ourselves we can't wait to actually explain to you a lot more about why we do what we do and how we can actually help you maximize your earning in the crypto space. However, before we start with anything, I just wanted to show you guys something on our website. So CryptoBox, as you recall, is a fund management company that aims to make universal income possible, right? And we do this in such a way that we position ourselves with offices registered around the world, right? So we are registered in London, UK, Singapore, Ontario, Canada, Indonesia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, in Dubai, and our latest trading floor in the US. Okay, so we have traders around the world growing your money in these offices 24/7, and that is why the income that we make for CryptoBox is only passive for you, because we are hard at work actively growing it. Okay, and if you actually click on this button right here, it'll take you to a certificate of incorporation PDF, which contains basically all of our certificates of incorporation of the offices, right? And this document and this list is available for you to take a look at your own time at cryptobox.world, which I actually am going to quickly drop in the chat box. All right, and if you're asking why are we showing you this, it's because we want you, our future, as well as, of course, our current investors, to know that your money, your investments are in good hands, are in the hands of a company that take the time to go the extra mile and be as regulated as we can be, especially since we are a crypto company, right? So I've just dropped the links to CryptoBox World, MDTX, as well as CryptoBox Exchange in the chat box. Okay, so that's for you to take a look at your own time. And now I would like to also introduce to our new friends the culture that CryptoBox cultivates, especially amongst our community members. Because for us, it's so important to know who the people you'll be working with, you'll be growing with, you'll be like hitting the goals with, right? And I am now actually going to play a video of our Dubai trip, which happened in November 2022, right, for our pre-launch. And what happened was we brought over to Dubai everyone that had been working with us to grow CryptoBox digitally, remotely, right? We all came together and met one another, and it was just a wonderful experience for everyone involved. Nevertheless, I mean, yeah, so you can only guess that it really recharged and recuperated the energies for everyone else to talk about CryptoBox in their own localities. And I'm hoping to actually get a chance to see you guys soon, because I myself wasn't there. Yeah, so with that said, enjoy this video. And of course, I'm going to play a couple more videos about CryptoBox Visa card, as well as our trading floor in the US, but I will voice that over, okay? And if I am not wrong, I think at the moment we wouldn't need any translation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Don't say goodbye. All we need is one night in Dubai. Close your eyes and in the lights. All we need is one night in Dubai. One night in Dubai. So this is our CEO withdrawing with our CryptoBox debit Visa card from an ATM in the US from Bank of America. So as you can see, hang on.
The Lord in the United States, Bank of America.
And this is our community member, Mr. Joel Mann. He is a CryptoBox builder and investor as well, business builder and investor. And he is withdrawing from the CryptoBox Visa card in the Philippines.
Surcharge. 250. Wait for the money. Dispensing.
All right.
Awesome. Okay, so as you can see, actually, that was our CryptoBox debit Visa card that was used to withdraw in both the Philippines and the US, which shows that the CryptoBox Visa card actually works once you activate it. Okay, and very quickly, I'm going to our trading floor in the US. This is just our CEO training the personnel that we are going to have on the trading floor in the US. It's such an honor to be able to show you this, especially with the OG friends that have always been here. It is very humbling to be able to show you our growth, to be able to grow with you. Okay, so with that said, let us begin our series of presentations.
Recording in progress.
First of all, I would like to call to the floor Christiania. She is our 3D and creative design head, and she will walk you through the application as well as the activation of the debit Visa card with translation by our MDT phone. Can I please have Christiania on the phone?
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. I hope I can be seen and heard well.
Yes, Chris, we can see and hear you 515.
All right, so I'm going to start. So I'm going to take you through the steps on the application and as well as the activation of your debit Visa card. So of course, first of all, you're going to have a CryptoBox account and you have to be an active member. All right, as the funds that are the only funds that can be accessed using the debit Visa card is actually the CryptoBox accounts. All right, so these are for our CryptoBox members who wish to have more accessibility to their CryptoBox funds. All right, so I'm just going to pull up my slides really quickly.
Y ahora vamos a la presentación de los pasos para la solicitud y activación de la tarjeta Visa.
All right, so this is actually how the Visa looks like once you get it. So these are the steps in applying for the CryptoBox debit Visa card. First of all, you had to apply for POS card in your CryptoBox fund management dashboard. So I'm going to show you where that is exactly, where you can find that.
En nuestros pasos para la solicitud de la tarjeta Visa, primero necesitamos tener una cuenta en CryptoBox Fund Management y segundo necesitamos visitar la opción POS de nuestra pestaña Perfil.
Okay, so this is the CryptoBox dashboard. There's a tab here on the extreme right at the top that says Profile. You just click on the drop down. There is a drop down that says POS card. Okay, so you just click on POS card. You will then be asked to just fill in first name, last name, mobile number, email, enter your complete address and postal code, and then enter in your wallet address. So once you fill that in, you click on apply now, and then that will sort of send a request to our back end for the application. And there's also a second step that you have to do. You don't just have to apply for POS. You also have to submit for KYC with your passport and proof of billing and email it to cryptobox.world21@gmail.com with the subject debit card KYC. So these are the two important steps for the application process.
Entonces, el primer paso es hacer la solicitud de su tarjeta desde la pestaña Perfiles, Profile y la opción POS Card. Cuando llegamos en esta opción, hay un formato que necesitamos llenar. Por allá necesitamos llenar nuestros datos, nuestro nombre, correo, número de móvil y hacer la elección de una dirección y entrar nuestra contraseña. El próximo paso es para enviar un correo para la verificación de nuestro KYC y eso hacemos este correo a CryptoBox Fund Management.
All right, so just want to take note that there is a card fee of $49, so that 49 will then actually be taken out of your investment wallet balance.
Es muy importante saber que hay un costo de $49 y vamos a retirar este costo de su billetera de CryptoBox Fund Management.
All right, so once your application has been approved, you will then receive credentials through an email from noreply@viacard.com. Okay, so this is how the email looks like. Hello, whoever. Right below, you'll be given credentials and then the link as to where you're going to use these credentials for. And these are the credentials that this is the process you have to do to activate your card.
Eso es el próximo paso. Desde la aprobación de nuestro KYC, recibimos un correo de noreply@viacarte.com. En este correo tenemos cartas credenciales para facilitar nuestro próximo paso. Esto es el vistazo. Lo que tenemos en la pantalla es el vistazo de este correo. En este correo tenemos un usuario, una contraseña para facilitar la entrada, porque registrarnos en el próximo paso y hacer la activación de la tarifa.
Okay, so step 4 is log in using the credentials received in the email. And you can't see the URL here, but the URL is just in the email. It's actually right here. It's globaldtt.viacarte.com. So you just have to log in using those credentials. And then after you've logged in, step 5, you fund your card by requesting to transfer fund from your exchange account by sending an email to support@dttcoins.com. All right, so logging in that's the process of activating it. All right, so once it has been activated, to fund your card, you have to send an email to support@dttcoins.
Okay. El próximo paso es para activar nuestra cuenta y para activarlo necesitamos registrarnos usando nuestra carta de credenciales que tenemos en el último correo. Con los datos que tenemos por allá vamos a activar entonces nuestra tarjeta. En el paso número 5, lo que necesitamos hacer es llenar nuestra tarjeta. Para llenarlo, enviamos un correo a support@dttcoins.com. Y cuando enviamos este correo, hay los próximos pasos que necesitamos seguir para culminar con esta activación.
All right, I just want to remind everybody that if you do plan on getting a debit Visa card, you have to create an exchange, a CryptoBox exchange account, as that is the account that you're going to be using to transfer your funds from. All right, so I can't really explain why, but that is the process. To be able to access your funds from your CryptoBox account, it has to be through your CryptoBox exchange account. So you have to create CryptoBox exchange accounts to be able to fund your card. And as you can see there, right here at the bottom, there is the steps to do the funding. First of all, you have to take a screenshot of your exchange account showing the funds. All right, and then the second step is to take a screenshot of your card details in the global DTT.viacard, so that this is actually how it will look like. And then the third step is the amount you want to transfer from exchange wallet to debit card. So this is basically what you have to put in the email, and then you have to send it to support@dptcoins.com.
Vamos a recordar dos puntos importantes. El primer punto es el enlace en nuestro paso 4. Hay una URL. Este URL, este enlace es en nuestro correo, porque no hay en el punto 4 aquí, pero tenemos en nuestro correo este enlace. El segundo punto es absolutamente importante para nosotros tener una cuenta en CryptoBox Exchange, porque es desde esta cuenta que podremos hacer transferencias de fondos para llenar nuestra tarjeta. Es por eso que en este paso número 5 hay el punto 2, que es tomar, el punto 1, que es tomar una captura de pantalla de nuestros fondos, los fondos que tenemos en nuestra cuenta CryptoBox. El segundo captura de pantalla es para un vistazo de nuestra tarjeta. Eso tenemos en el enlace de Global DDT, y el último punto es llenar, entonces poner el monto que queremos llenar en nuestra billetera.
All right, so that is actually all of the steps that you have to do. I know it might be quite a lot, but this is just a one-time thing, especially for the application, submitting your KYC, and logging in and activating your card. Other than that, once you have your debit Visa card, all you have to remember is just step 5. But other than that, this is actually just for your benefit. All right, so as you can see, the steps are so easy, and that is actually all for the walkthrough. Thank you, Fawn, for translating.
Thank you, Christiana.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much, Fawn and Christiania, for that. So for those of you who have already ordered your debit Visa cards, this is how you can activate it. And for those who would like to order your debit Visa cards, feel free to do so at our dashboard under POS. Sweet. Okay, so now I would like to start with my portion, which is on the FNFTs. And I'm really excited to be bringing this to you because this is our newest offering of offering to help you maximize your earning in the crypto space. Okay, so can I please have Fawn's help with the translation for this?
Recording stopped.
Vamos ahora a una presentación de nuestra nueva oferta de FNFT. Estamos muy emocionados porque es una oportunidad para nosotros diversificar nuestras inversiones.
Awesome. Okay, so MDTX is offering you fractional NFTs. That's what FNFTs mean. So what are fractional NFTs? Before we look at that, let's take a look at the definition of NFTs because that's where that term is derived from. So NFTs are non-fungible tokens. That's why NFT. And they are assets on the crypto space, on the blockchain with a unique identification code each that allows you to tell one NFT from the other, although they may look alike, for example. All right, so in that case, a fractional NFT is an entire NFT that's divided into smaller pieces, and this allows different people to claim partial ownership of that same NFT.
La definición de un NFT es una ficha o un token fungible que está basado sobre las cadenas de bloques. Es como un activo criptográfico que tiene un código único en metadata para hacer una identificación, una diferencia de un NFT de otro. Entonces tenemos fichas muy único y muy diferente. Pero ¿qué llamamos FNFT? FNFT entonces es cuando dividimos un NFT en diferentes partes para facilitar el acceso a personas. Entonces, para ser dueño, necesitamos solo comprar una fracción de un NFT.
So at this point, you might find NFTs familiar in the sense of like the artwork that's being that came up in the first wave of the NFTs. However, with MDTX, because we are where the real world and the metaverse converge, we would like to offer you actually a chance to invest in real life brick and mortar businesses, right, at a fraction of the cost. So all of our FNFT offerings are businesses that really that function within the real world that otherwise, if you would like to set up your own business, you'd have to put in like upfront the entire capital for that. But because we are offering it to you as FNFTs, it literally happens. It could be you could own part of it for at least $100, and more on this later on. But in the for now, I would just like to show you guys a visualization of how this works exactly, okay? So that when we take a look at our current offerings, we approach it with already an understanding of how does this work? Like, you don't have to wonder.
En su comienzo, los NFTs tenía como imágenes y obras de arte como NFT. Pero nosotros en MDTX estamos transitando, uniendo el metaverso al verso real. Entonces tenemos una propuesta de negocios y de oportunidades en el mundo real.
Okay, so let's begin with our first flow chart. So under Josai Holdings, we have businesses that we have acquired, right, and we own them. For this example, for this visualization, we're going to use Casablanca by the Sea, which is a traditional real estate business, and it obviously requires everything that a traditional real estate needs. Land, deeds of sale, you got to build something on the land, and then you got to buy purchasers for whatever it is that you've built on the land, for the land that you've developed, right? And for Casablanca by the Sea, the total contract price is $50 million. So normally, right, if you wanted to build Casablanca by the Sea, you would have to upfront show or provide the $50 million for the project to go underway. However, with our NFTs, like I said, you can own a little bit of it with as little as $100.
Tenemos entonces dos formatos, dos visualizaciones de la cosa. Primero presentamos lo que tenemos en la pantalla, lo que existe en nuestros negocios de bienes raíces tradicional. Vamos con nuestro ejemplo del proyecto Casablanca by the Sea, que es un proyecto de bienes raíces tradicional. Entonces tenemos escrituras de ventas, tenemos descripciones de la propiedad y tenemos un precio que es un precio muy grande de $50 millones. Para ser dueño, para ser propietario de una parte de este negocio, necesitamos tener este monto y necesitamos tener una competencia técnica para lograr esta oportunidad. Pero con los NFTs, nuestra nueva oferta, tenemos una visualización diferente que es el siguiente.
So with our MDTX FNFTs, which are, by the way, running on the BEP 721 protocol, we take the entire project, the total contract price, $50 million, and we divide it into 500,000 tokens, for example. That means each token is $100, and you can buy however many tokens you would like, depending on what you can what you would like to put aside right now for growth. And with however many tokens you earn, you can earn dividends from them. And the dividends come from the property earnings, just like owning a business, right? And when you feel like you have come to the term of your investment and you would like to exit, you can easily sell it to someone who is interested or sell it back to us at floor price, right? And the best part about this is that because it's an NFT, it's happening on the blockchain, you can see every transaction that has taken place with that FNFT on the ledger. So there's absolute transparency on that end.
Siguiente paso que tenemos es con la oferta de NFT y eso es basado sobre el protocolo BEP 721, la cadena de bloques, y aquí tenemos una descripción de detalles de la propiedad. Tenemos un precio de acceso muy asequible para todos. Y aquí, ¿qué hacemos? Tomamos nuestro monto de 50 millones de dólares y dividimos en 500,000 partes. Y con eso necesitamos solo 100 dólares para hacer parte de esta oportunidad. ¿Y qué hacemos cuando estamos ya en parte de esta oportunidad? Logramos o ganamos dividendos al mes y otros beneficios. Y siempre cuando te sientas listo para vender, hay la posibilidad de liquidar su NFT o su FNFT en 3 modelos o 3 posibilidades. ¿Qué tenemos más con esta oportunidad? Estamos trabajando sobre las cadenas de bloques y blockchain, entonces hay una transparencia total. Tenemos la posibilidad de hacer seguimientos de cada aspecto de nuestra inversión.
So if you can see how all of this works, right? For all of you who have wanted to own businesses before, but you were overwhelmed by the initial capital requirement, the requirement of having business experience, like if all of that has held you back before, now is your chance to actually own part of these businesses and diversify your portfolio and grow your money in a different way, right? So this really opens the floodgates in terms of investing. And I myself am just waiting for a bit of extra fund before I hop on it myself. And therefore I'm very excited for you to be able to as well. Okay, so I'm going to quickly run through this second visualization for you. This is just the steps of investing. It's the same, it works the same way. So you pick a project that you're interested in, you purchase the project NFT in pre-sale, keep the NFT in your wallet, and as long as you have the NFT in your wallet, you can earn the dividends and enjoy the benefits of the NFT. And when you're done, when you want to exit your investment, you can sell your NFT and earn profit.
Ahora tenemos los pasos que necesitamos seguir para cada uno de nuestros proyectos y estamos ahora en preventas y tenemos 3 proyectos en nuestra pantalla, pero que necesitamos hacer primero hacer compras en preventas de nuestro NFT, guardarlo en nuestra billetera y ganamos dividendos y beneficios de eso. Y siempre cuando queremos hacer ventas, hacemos entonces una liquidación de nuestro NFT para lograr ganancias en todas formas.
Awesome. Now that we have gone through the visualization, I'm going to very quickly, we are going to take a look at our current NFT offerings on the website MDTX.io or MDTX.world. And we have a new company for all of those who are OGs. If you've seen our offerings, if you've seen our offerings before, we've just added a new one today, and we've shown you this before. It is our mineral water factory. So now we have 5 businesses in different industries However, all the industries that we've chosen we made sure to choose lucrative industries. And we're going to go through each project in this call right now.
Vamos ahora a una presentación de nuestros proyectos desde nuestro sitio web. Estamos muy felices hoy presentar una oferta nueva. Antes había 4 proyectos, pero hoy estamos haciendo una presentación de nuestra nueva oferta, que es nuestra fábrica de agua. Y vamos entonces a tener detalles sobre cada proyecto.
Okay, so before anything, so every detail on this website is available as a PDF if you prefer. You can access that PDF with this button, read mini white paper. Okay, and all of the details available on this site are enough to allow you to make a good, sound business decision. With that said, let us start with our very first project, Casablanca by the Sea.
Tenemos todos los detalles y la información sobre los proyectos en otra forma. Este forma es nuestro libro blanco, que es en PDF.
Normally, we show in our Zoom meetings Casablanca by the Sea reimagined. However, it is beautiful as it is right now. You can take a look at this Facebook page of Casablanca by the Sea to take a look at it. However, the